Hello guys, welcome back to the era of tech. In our last video, we introduced you to Arduino, what it is, how it works, and why it's such a powerful tool in electronics and automation. That was just the beginning. In this second part, before we break down the Arduino board piece by piece, we first need to understand some of the important abbreviations you will see again and again when working with Arduino. Things like AVRMCU, ADC, PWM, UART, SPI, I2C, SLAM, EEPROM, ICSP, USART, and even the 8MEGA62 chip. So don't worry if these sound a little technical right now. By the end of this session, you will know exactly what each one stands for and what role it plays inside your Arduino board. So let's get started with the fundamentals, and then we will move into the full description of Arduino parts and pins. So let's start. Let's start with microcontroller and memory. AVRMCU is Alf and Vega's RISC microcontroller unit, named after its inventor Alf Egil Borgen and Vegard Wollan, a family of 8-bit microcontroller with reduced instruction set computer architecture. SLAM is static random access memory. This memory is volatile memory used to store variables while the program runs. EEPROM, in full words, is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. This one is non-volatile memory used to store data that must be retained after power is removed. Let's go to the data conversion and signal control. ADC in full words is analog to digital converter. These convert analog signals like sensor voltages into digital values that the microcontroller can read. PWM is password for modulation. Modulation is a technique where a digital signal is switched on and off rapidly to simulate varying analog output levels. Example, dimming rates and controlling motors are the examples. Let's go to the communication interfaces. UART. UART in full words is Universal Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter. it is a hardware that handles serial communication used in Arduino's serial functions on pins D, O, and L, and L, LX, and D1 and TX. It is hardware that handles the serial communication used in Arduino's serial functions on pins D0 and LX and D1 and TX. The next is UART. It is Universal Synchronous and Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter. It is an advanced version of UART that can also support synchronous communication if needed. The next one is SPI, which is Serial Peripheral Interface. It is asynchronous serial communication protocol using MOSI or MISO, SCK, and the SS pins for high-speed communication with sensors and modules. I2 or integrated in full words is integrated circuit, also called two wires interface. A synchronous protocol using SDA and the SCA lines allows multiple devices on the same bus. Let's go to the programming and the support chips. ICSP in words is in-circuit serial programming. A pin 6 header used to directly program the microcontroller's flash memory or bootloader using SPI. 80 mega 60U2 in words is advanced technology mega AVR 16 key USB version 2. 80 mega 16U2 in words is advanced technology mega AVR 16 key USB version 2. Is a small AVR microcontroller used on Arduino, is a USB 2 serial converter, allowing the computer to communicate with the 80 mega 328p. So I think everyone already knows this abbreviation is in full words. So next time I will explain more about the Arduino parts, port, and the pins. So it was more crucial to know those are abbreviations before going deeper to the next part of the Arduino series. So remember to like, share, comment, and even to subscribe if this content is crucial. So thanks for watching.